Welcome to this lesson on homophones. Homophones are words that sound exactly the same when you say them out loud, but they have different meanings and different spellings. In this video, we will learn about 8 common homophones that confuse many English learners. We will focus on 3 main groups: there, and there. Then we will learn about to, and to. Finally, we will explore your and your. By the end of this lesson, you will understand how to use each word correctly in sentences. Let me explain what homophones are. Homophones are words that sound identical when you pronounce them. However, they have completely different meanings and are spelled differently. The word homophone comes from 2 Greek words, homo meaning same and phone meaning sound. So homophones literally mean same sound but different meaning. This is why they are confusing for English learners. You hear the same sound, but you need to know which spelling and meaning is correct for your sentence. Here is a simple example to show you the difference. The correct sentence is, I ate 2 apples. The word 2 means the number 2. Now look at the wrong sentence, I ate 2 apples. This is incorrect because 2 is a preposition, not a number. You cannot eat prepositions. This example shows why homophones are important to learn. Using the wrong homophone makes your sentence confusing or grammatically incorrect. Now let us focus on the first group of homophones. The words there, and there all sound identical, but they have 3 completely different meanings and uses. These are perhaps the most commonly confused homophones in English. Many native speakers even make mistakes with these words, so do not worry if you find them difficult. Let us learn each one separately and understand exactly when to use it. Here are the 3 meanings. First, there. There is used to indicate a location or a place. It answers the question where. Second, there. There is a possessive adjective. It means belonging to them. You use it before a noun to show that something belongs to a group of people. Third, they are. This is a contraction, which means 2 words combined into one. They are becomes they are with an apostrophe. You use this when you want to say that a group of people are doing something. Let me give you clear examples. First example with there, look there, the dog is happy. Here, there shows the location or direction where you should look. Second example with their house is big, it is very beautiful. Here, there shows that the house belongs to them, the house is theirs. Notice that there comes before the noun house. Third example with they are contracted. They are playing football outside. Since we are using the contraction, we write it as they apostrophe are. This means a group of people are doing the action of playing football. You can also write this as, they are playing football outside. Both are correct. The contraction just makes it shorter and more casual in speaking and writing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.